How does it work if you want to configure VPN on the iPhone manually? So let me talk about it. Let's get started. And if you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So most likely you'll have the VPN application, which you download from the App Store. You kind of set it up that way, and this asks you to add a profile to the iPhone. But you can still just, if you prefer the manual approach and if you know how to set it up, I mean, if you have all of the details and the data to input in here, this is where you can find it, because you can go to the settings, tap on general, and if you scroll down toward the bottom, you can find VPN and a device management, which has its own separated section. And this is the place where you can sign in with your work or school account, but also set up the VPN. That is the thing at the top. You click in. You then click on Add VPN Configuration, and this is the manual part, right? So you have to pick the type, so a few options there, then the description, server, and remote ID. Local ID is not required, as you can tell, and also like the username, password, and also the proxy settings. So as I said, this is the data that you have to know and have ready in order to input it in here to make sure to set it up manually, right? That's why the automatic option is not a bad idea either, because this just makes sure that it all just gets done automatically with a click of a button. But if you wanted to get it done through the manual approach, this is where you can find it. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you soon.